Today, I'm going to show you how to create a shareable link in Canva. This is something that you can share with people that are maybe on your team, or you can also sell these designs and people can edit them themselves. So for instance, here is a download that I have for free. I'll have it linked for you in the description, but it's basically a habit tracker and really a way to improve your life for the end of the year. So I have this as just a standard PDF, but I could make it a shareable link where people can change these prompts and make them adjust to what they want here, or add in their own habits here and adjust them. So what I can do is create this shareable link. Like I said, you can also use this as templates, or say you created this mockup and you want to sell this mockup to someone that they can use to purchase to promote their own product or launch or whatever it might be. You may want to sell this template on Etsy, so you can do that as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to share, then we're going to go to template link. Now this is a Canva Pro feature, so you do need Canva Pro. I personally definitely recommend it. I'll have it linked down below in the description. But what you're going to do is create that and then create template link. And then here is your link. So we can copy this. And then let me open up a new tab. This is what it's going to look like. So it's saying a template is created by Freedom and a Budget, which is my Canva name, was shared with you. Start designing now. So I can have them edit the template or view the template. If they view it or they edit it, it's going to add it to their own Canva profile. So that way, any edits that they make aren't going to get messed up by someone else using the template. Let me show you on this one as well. We're going to go share. Now I don't see it here, so sometimes we have to click these three dots and go see all, but then it is right here, template link. So then create template link, and here it is. Let's open a new tab. And here it is. So they can edit the template, and then this is what it would look like on their page. So they can just edit it and drag and drop their own photos or whatever it may be. In the description, there's a link to this free ebook. It's going to explain why seasonal printables are the best on Etsy, give you all of the seasonal products that sell, and tools that are going to help you pick the best products. It is a very in-depth ebook, 23 pages, so many amazing ideas that's really going to help you step up your game with selling printables on Etsy. Even if you don't want to sell seasonal products, it's still really, really helpful in helping you to figure out how to market your products, how to find keywords, how to find tags, how to rank in search. It is so helpful and a really, really great ebook. So it'll be linked down below in the description, completely free. If you want to see how to create 20 Instagram posts in just 2 minutes, check out this video here.